So do you guys know the difference between volume and capacity?
Yeah.
Yes, Jake, what is it? Okay. That's okay.
Is it volume how much it holds?
Oh, that's another one. Yeah, that's capacity. So,
Volume outside and capacity is
hands up, guys. Yes, Jay. Oh, sorry, Jesse.
I think volume is like the amount of liquid that's in an object, and the capacity is like the outside. No, other way around.
Other way around. Other way around. Okay. Guys, so volume, right? Volume is the amount of space something takes up.
What is that? What is that? What is that? From Adam. I don't know.
Can we do questions?
Yeah, let's do it.
Business is business, Jesse.
Business is business.
Isn't that right, Omar?
Alex, can you read the purple for me, please? Read the purple. Wait, guys. Guys, come on. Waiting for Alex to read. Kelvin. It's Jesse.
I tell you said that, Omar.
Alright, thanks, guys. Go ahead, Alex.
When a solid has a uniform cross-section base and volume equals area of base times height.
Okay. So you guys are lucky. In your examination, right, we only cover prisms. Okay? Prisms and cylinders and anything that has that rule. Okay? So area of a base, right, comes up by a height. So if I draw
So is that the formula for all of the shapes?
for prisms, all prisms and cylinders and anything, I'm gonna go through it. Okay?
Triangle prism.
So if I draw a
We don't need no education.
okay. So if I draw a first of all, Jesse, what shape is that?
Oh, what shape's that?
Yeah.
So that's a rectangular prism.
Okay. That's really good, Jesse. So if I draw a rectangular, right? If I draw a rectangular prism, right? If I cut it across if I cut it across its length, right, it's going to have the same cross section. And what's our cross section going to be? Here. Sorry. Jade, if I cut it along our cross section, okay, what's the cross section shape going to be?
Like when you cut it,
Yeah.
it's going to be squares.
A square, it's good. Okay, so we'll
It's
have
going to be squares or rectangles?
squares. Or you can do both. If you cut it across that way, like the long ways, you'll get squares, right?
Yeah.
But if you cut it across, I'll grab another. If you cut it down, purple. Yeah, if you cut it across here, it'll be rectangles.
They're rectangles, aren't they?
Yeah.
Rectangular prism?
So it depends on which way you cut it, guys.
They cut it like that way.
Okay? Then it'll be rectangles.
Then it
So-
is right as well.
For rectangular prisms, you can cut it across two ways.
Yeah.
But if I drew if I drew a triangular prism, okay? Jonah, what do you reckon my cross section will be? Triangles, okay? I'm cutting across here.
Where'd you get from? Oh, is that a new shape?
Yeah, it's a new shape. Okay, it'll be a triangle.
What is it?
Okay, and to get the volume, all you have to do is times that base by the height.
But it always tells you the height, yeah?
Yeah, they'll always give you the height. Okay, I'll give you some examples now.
You just have to find the base here.
Yeah,
So volume's pretty easy.
it is easy.
It's the easiest one out of the
So
three.
starting your way, you have a one side of square, one side of rectangle.
Come on, John.
John, so this is the square here.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is a rectangle. So you can cut it across either way. Okay, so if you cut it across the square, you're going to get square cross sections. But if you cut it across the rectangle, you're going to get rectangular cross sections. Okay, but yeah. Sorry, what was that? Yeah, it's still a rectangular prism. But for this one, right? For this one, we can only cut it across the triangle. We can't cut it across the rectangle.
Just say no.
From that 120 blue, bro, how much was that, 10? From that.
Yeah, no. I think one page, that's one page. That's
All right, everyone attempt the questions on the board. Tony, laptop down, please. Soteris, laptop down, just for now.
How do you do that?
I think area of base, so you do 4 times 3, which equals 12, and times 12 by the height. That's it, right? So, yeah. Is that right?
Sorry, give me 1 second, Jess.
No worries.
Sorry, what did you
So
say?
for 1A, it says it's area of base times height times 3, which gives us 12, and we times that by the height, which is 3.
Yeah.
What happens to the 2?
So what happens if the 2 are nothing?
You can do it either way. So 4 times 2 times 3 is the same thing as 3 times 2 times 4. It's the same thing as 3 times 4 times 2.
Alright.
Is that right? Yeah.
12 times 3.
So cubes and rectangular prisms are easy.
4 times 3 equals 12, times 3 equals 36.
No.
So what do you get?
I did.
Is that easy to understand?
4 times 3
So you-
equals 12.
So that's the shaded section is equal to 30 centimeters squared.
36.
Yeah.
So I don't get it. I'm a bit confused.
It's alright. I'm gonna go through the examples on the board.
So how do you find the height for number 8?
It's given to you. It's 4.
Well, what's 4? So what's 4?
Because from here to here.
No, I'm talking about 8, sir.
Or A.
If you have belief in yourself,
Isn't it just 30? Isn't it just 30 times 4?
because one's in centimeters.
I don't even know.
So how do you find the base?
One's in centimeters squared, one's in
I just said
I'm not
convert
gonna
it.
get to it.
I just said convert
Yeah, it
it.
is. M and 2.
With the bad laggy connection.
Alright, sorry guys. You have a question? Oh, sorry, I thought you were saying something. Okay. So the first one, right? To find the volume, it's just 4 times 2 times 3. So it doesn't matter for all rectangular prisms and square prisms. It doesn't matter which way you put it, right? 4 times 2 times 3 is the same thing as 3 times 2 times 4. is the same thing as 2 times 3 times 4. Is that true, guys? Okay. So 4 times 2, we're trying to find out what the base is first. Okay. Times it by the height, which is 3.
4 times 2 gets the base.
Yeah. And then 3 is the height. And the answer should be
And the next one is
24 centimeters cubed.
We got it wrong.
So the next one's
So
37
how
times
did
4.
we get it?
You
wrong?
gave us the wrong answer.
Because you said we could do 4 times 3,
Yeah.
which equals 12, and then you times that by 2.
Did I get C right?
Yeah, 12 times 2 is 24.
No, you said that. Oh my god.
No, but you still have to times it by 3, the height.
Yeah, so 4 times 2 times 3, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. 8 times 3 is 24.
Now look, 4 times 2, yeah.
You just do is pi r squared. And then you
Alright. Okay. So the next one,
30 squared times 4.
yeah, because already, yeah, that's good, Jade. So the next one, you're already given the base, which is 30 centimeters squared.
What is that? So don't you have to convert it?
Which one? It's all in centimeters.
1 centimeters squared. So I didn't get that.
Okay.
Base times
It's
the
already
height.
converted. I want to calculate it. Calculate it.
So I got this.
You don't have to put it in a square.
Why is it squared there?
No, that's just a unit at the very end.
Oh, I get it because it's on the
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, sir.
So guys,
You don't need like
guys, the area of the base, right, is 30 centimeters squared, and the height is 4 centimeters. So that's pretty easy. So it's just 30 times 4 gives you 120 centimeters cubed. This one up here,
I want to try doing that one.
Oh yeah. 10, 20.
So how can we change this into a cube? How can we change this into a cube?
because volume is measured in centimeters cubed.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Guys, and for the last one, Jade. For the last one, we just had to find out the area of the base first, which is a circle. Do you guys remember the area of a circle? Pi r squared. Okay. I don't want to hear anyone saying 2 pi r for area of a circle. Okay. Remember we have areas, we have the square numbers. That's why it's pi r squared. So that's equals to pi times that by 9. Okay. Okay. And then we times it by the height, which is 8. So the area should be 72 times pi. Does anyone have the answer?
So this is what I got. I got that for the first one.
Yeah.
The base, it comes out.
226.19. Thanks, guys.
Oh yeah, I got it. So I'm on a roll. Volume's easy, sir.
Yeah, it is easy.
Is it going to be harder questions than that?
So all you can do is do y times 3 squared, right? And then we just
Which is
times
9.
the height.
Yeah, 8.
8, because that's
Okay, Jesse, what did you say capacity was before?
capacity is
Wait, guys.
capacity is the area outside of a shape.
No, that's the first one.
Oh, that's
Volume,
one.
how much it holds?
Capacity is what? Is the
What it
amount that
holds.
holds.
Yeah. So capacity is the
Amount that an object can hold.
amount a container.
Can hold.
No way.
Hey, Jono.
Only back on back. Put it on back.
I'll get back to you. I'm not going to continue until okay. No, Jade, come on. Jade. I'll get back to you. I will. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you.
So what was the pi r squared?
Thank you, mate, Jade.
I'd like to go.
Sorry?
Pi squared.
What's that?
Wait,
It takes me months to get over some stuff, you know?
Adam, take a seat.
Why the end of the job?
Huh?
Put your phone away to terrace. Put your laptop down as well to terrace. Alright. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, well, I want you to stop it.
That's what you should do.
Alright.
Dale.
You know what's his name? They used to on YouTube. 24 hours.
Is that 1 milliliter?
Alright, so have everyone's attention? Okay. So it is 1 milliliter. So I'm assuming everyone knows the conversion rates, right? Because everyone was talking already. Yeah? Okay, so what does 1 milliliter equal to 1 centimeter cube? Okay.
That's the real reason. But no, the friend's not going to just magically fall out.
So does everyone remember our prefixes? Okay, so what does 1 liter equal to?
1 centimeter cube.
Hands up. Okay. Sorry. Hands up. 1,000 centimeters cubes. Think about milliliters first, right? And then I'll move on to centimeters cubes. So what does 1 milliliter equal, guys?
100 centimeters cubed.
In milliliters first. In milliliters, yeah.
Wait, what does 1,000?
So what does 1 liter equal to in milliliters? 1,000. Alright.
Yeah, you said 1,000 cubes.
I'm tripping out.
So,
Okay.
Then that equals to 1,000 centimeters. Do you guys remember what? Do you guys remember our prefixes? So I'm gonna write this.
Yeah, write it down. So what happens when we put a K in front of it? Kiloliters. Okay. 1,000 liters is good.
Stole the withdrawal from now, Jonah.
Okay. And then what's that equal to in volume?
1,000.
We're gonna skip from centimeters to meters because having it in centimeters cubed is a very large number. We don't have to deal with that.
1,000 meters.
1 meter cubed. That's good. So it's equal to 1
Oh,
meter.
1 meter.
Okay. So those are our conversion rates.
So that's not like the only prefix I'm using up.
Yeah. So those. So that's. No. So that's what we get.
One guys.
Okay, so those are the only 3 conversion rates that we use in capacity. Okay. So I'm gonna go off this question here.
Adam, why did you say that?
It wasn't me.
Okay. Okay, so it's pretty easy. As soon as we finish this example, I'll get you guys started on exercises. Okay. So find the capacity of that shape, the cylinder, in milliliters. So Adam, how will we do that?
I'm going to do the conversion chart.
Yeah.
Okay, it's 226 centimeters cubed.
Yeah. So it's equal to
0.19.
226.19 centimeters cubed. But I want the answer in milliliters.
Yeah.
So what's the conversion? Yes.
What?
Everyone go to your drive and go to that homework sheet.
How does 1 kilogram
Yeah, go ahead.
go to 1 meter?
That's just the conversion rate. Do you want me to explain it? I'll come by and explain it to you afterwards. I'll come back and explain it.
That's 1,000 centimeters, correct? And that's 3
In a
zero.
meter is 100 centimeters.
Yeah, that's what I said.
You said 1,000.
I said 100.
Instead of
Relax, I'm trolling, alright?
Alright guys, go to your
What a troll.
guys go to your homework page and get started on 5F and 5G.
Whoa!
So can I get my laptop?
That's a lot of hope, man.
So believe you.
I'll let you say that.
So 5F and 5G.
Oh yeah, I did that.
Yeah, I'm gonna have always
Business is business, lad. Business is business, lad.
Jesse, family, Jesse.
Come on, get with it.
farming. Don't worry about it. At least the duck is in the brain, in the middle, you can still get them, but you just jump.
Alright guys, so in your textbook,